What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm finally going to be recording the lights in Rockwell. Look at this view. And if you're wondering where I am, this is the newly built bridge that was pretty much finished around a year ago. Now I've seen a lot of videos online showing the lights, but today I'm gonna give you a nicer cinematic perspective of this place because it looks absolutely amazing from here.
The best thing about Christmas in the Philippines is that the city comes alive at night. Enjoy this footage.
So we just crossed the bridge and we are in Rockwell right now. You can see the buildings just above me. They look so nice. Now I do want to find somewhere to eat. I haven't eaten anything today, so maybe a little snacky somewhere in Starbucks or a little restaurant. I'm on my own today, just exploring, but yeah, it's looking really cool. Just love how everything looks right here. It's a Sunday today, so I feel like it should be a little more busy than usual. But we're gonna go to the garden area and get some cool shots there. I always enjoy Power Plant Mall as well. The style inside the mall is like very old school New York in the 90s. So I always like that aspect of it. So right now I'm inside the little park in the middle of Rockwell. They have a massive Christmas tree right there. It's absolutely huge. And it just lights up the entire little park. Such a nice area. So nice. And the size of this tree. The camera doesn't give it justice, to be honest. But look how tall that is. Alright, so I'm just gonna chill here right now. It's a little too humid, too hot, but it's so nice right here, guys. Look at that, it's like a little picnic area. You can get food down here. I'm gonna show you the market later. But right now I'm gonna relax. I am sweating. Alright, so now it's time to eat because I am absolutely starving. Looks so delicious. $3.20 for the burger. $3.20, not bad. Pretty good. Fried chicken. Rice is life. Now this is what you call a nice burger. Look at the size of this beast. Ready to get destroyed. Look how juicy that is, baby. Look at this. It's kind of embarrassing to eat this like this. Oh! Pretty good. Oh!
Rate it from 1 to 10.
Wait, I need another bite to judge it. I don't know how to eat this. Oh, I got a crumb. Oh. This is a 7. That's pretty good for a burger. So this piano right here is playing on its own. That is so cool. Is it programmed that way?
Yes.
So nice. There's a wizard patty. It's nice. I want to try this one. Whoops. This is huge. This is weights. Look at this. Look at this. Chopping around, trying to digest the food. Digest the burger. Here, I'll try it. Oh,
baby, it
nice.
looks nice.
It actually looks so
nice.
good.
No, you look so trendy right now. Oh, damn, bro. Wait, let me write you up. Wait, let me write
Don't
you
talk to me, I'm famous. Give me some space.
up. Are you Billie Eilish? Name one song of hers. Name one song of Billie Eilish.
Ocean Eyes. This right here, it's a carpet turned into a jacket. There's no way.
And this is a blanket.
They ran out of materials.
Okay, now I'm gonna hop off this, and then you're gonna push me until Starbucks. Yeah.
Well, go on, so.
Oh. Starbucks is that.
Okay, that's a happy dog. Look at him on the side. They're adorable.
You're so cute. I love those.
How are you boys? Just chilling here, yeah?
Oh, I'll take a picture of you.
Oh, he's stepping over him.
Hello. Are you cute?
Oh, 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 he just steps on him with the audacity.
How cute. How old is he?
3 months.
3 months. He's a baby. Oh, he's a Malamute.
Yeah?
Your
Who's a big
chow-chow
boy?
is not aggressive.
Who's a big boy?
Usually they're
Who's a big
aggressive,
boy?
right?
Who's a big boy? I used to have a husky like you before, eh?
This is cute.
Alright guys, so we just finished drinking coffee. I hope you guys like the cinematic footage. Comment below what you think, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace out.